In this video, we're evaluating the anti-drip performance of the ECOFORGE cordless glue gun. Please note that this is a functional 3D printed prototype. The mass-produced products will be superior to this prototype in terms of both quality and functionality. Okay, let's begin. The test runs for 10 total minutes, starting with a 90-second preheat phase to bring the internal heating chamber to a full operating temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. For full transparency, we haven't cut, sped up, or otherwise processed the video after the test began. It's a long one, so you can jump straight to the important parts. Let's verify the temperature directly at the nozzle tip. Preheat is complete. It registers at a peak of 110 degrees Celsius, or 230 degrees Fahrenheit. This is just the tip's temperature, and it is entirely nominal. Now, we leave the tool idle in active mode for 3 or 4 continuous minutes. We gave it a 3.5-minute rest after preheating, and up to now, not a single drop. Alright, now let's start dispensing to see how it performs. Delivery is clean, smooth, and consistent. Now, we need to put it back and let it sit still to monitor thermal expansion and residual dripping. At 8 minutes 30 seconds, slight oozing was observed from the nozzle. At 8:50, a tiny drop fell. We'll continue to record any further changes. After another minute and a half, the nozzle stays clean with zero secondary overflow. And that concludes our test. Conclusion: dripping is exceptionally low. Due to our extended nozzle geometry, a minimal amount of residual glue naturally clears under gravity after use. For the next test, we'll extend the resting time and do more dispensing cycles, and the whole test runs for 20 minutes.
Hit subscribe and join us on the 4V modular journey. If you're interested in our glue gun and screwdriver and want to be among the first to try them, click the Kickstarter link on our profile to support our campaign. Your support means faster updates and better tools for everyone.